Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you now how to find the universe ID on Roblox. So if you're using your phone, your laptop, your tablet, any other devices, if you're using it except a computer or PC, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? That being said, let's start with this one. Again, if you want to use Safari, Google Chrome, it's really fine. Any browser of your choice is perfectly good. That being said, please go to this link, roblox.com, and then you should log in using your account. If you don't have an account, please you sign up using your Google Chrome or Facebook, okay? That being said, this should be your landing page. And from here, just choose any universe you want to get the ID with. For example, this one right here, I'm gonna try and get the ID or universe ID of this one. So as you can see, it's really not displayed over on this landing page. However, you can simply get it on the link. If you hover your mouse on the URL or link of this exact website, and this 10-digit number, is it 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? That is the universe ID. Just copy it and then simply place it wherever you want to use it, okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.